वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। तो ये देखिए,
Dear passengers, Gate A is now boarding. Please proceed to the gate.
गेट सी पे है मेरा। गेट सी ABCD। वाह भाई, ABCD AB HIJK LMNOP। ओके, LMNOP नहीं, LMNOPQRSTUVWXYNZ। No 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 no। बोर्डिंग नहीं हो रही है यार। क्या है भाई? क्या हो रहा है अंदर? ओ ओपन खरीद लिया एक प्लेन। तो हमारा प्लेन का
Dear passengers, Gate A is now closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Kion Air flight. We're thrilled to have you on board today. Before we take off, let's go over a few safety instructions to make sure we all have an amazing flight. First, fasten your seatbelt by clicking it into place. To unbuckle, just click again. Seatbelts are super important, so make sure to wear yours whenever you're seated. If we experience any turbulence, the seatbelt light will turn on. That means you should go back to your seat and buckle up. In the unlikely event of an emergency, follow the lighted path on the floor to the nearest exit. Remember, they may be behind you. Lastly, remember to always listen to the crew. They're here to help us have a safe and fun flight on Kion Air. Now that we're all set, let's prepare for takeoff. Thank you for choosing Kion Air. We hope you enjoy your flight, and if you need any assistance, our cabin crew is here ready to serve you.
तो अभी आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना। तो गुड बाय।